Hey everyone, this is Dan Caruso, Support Director here at Agency Access. Today we're going to go through a quick video on how to search brands in the directory. As usual, when you log into your account, you'll be brought to your dashboard. From your dashboard, you can use the Go to Directory button here, or you can use the icon in the navigation bar on the left-hand side. When you hover over this icon, you're going to have three options. You can either jump right into a contact, company, or brand search, or if you click directly onto the icon, it'll drop you into the contacts directory dashboard, and we can go ahead and click brands at the top of the screen. Now that we're in brands, we can go ahead and look at some saved searches. We can review our recent searches, and then we can also see the top brands listed in the database as of today. Now, on the right-hand side, you can search brands by keyword. So we can search a name or company here. So we're going to go ahead and search Nike, for example, and hit enter. And it'll pull up any brands associated with Nike. So the brand search is slightly different than a contact or company search in the sense of what you're looking for here is the agencies rather than the brand itself. So we can see the brand here is Nike, but when you come over here to the agencies and click this little down arrow, it's going to give you the option to see all the agencies that we have listed that work with Nike for their advertising. And from here, you can go into bakery, for example, and review that company and their contacts as well as the accounts that they work with. So from here, if you want to add these contacts to a list, you could go ahead and select the check boxes of the contacts you want. And we're going to use the three-dot menu option here to go ahead and click Add to List. And from here, you can either select an existing list or you can create a new list. Okay, we'll clear that search, and we're going to go ahead and do a filter search. So within the filters for brands, you have location. So we'll go ahead and select United States. You can use the arrow here to go deeper into that category if you wanted. And then we'll go down by specialty. So for specialty, we're going to look at food brands. And we're showing there 222 matches with the two filters that we have applied. So again, same concept here. You can click on the brand to see the brand itself and just get some information on the company. Or you can click the three-dot menu option here and click View Brand or View Company. Now that you've created your search, you can go ahead and save it so you can come back and review your results later. We'll go ahead and click the Save button here. And we're going to name this Food Brands US Only. We're going to use the Pin Save Search to Launchpad feature, and I'll show you what that does in a second. So we'll go ahead and click Save Search. Now that we've saved that, we're going to go ahead and clear the results. And you can see here our Food Brands US Only has been pinned to the top. So if we wanted to, we'd go ahead and click Load, and that would reload your search for you nice and quick. Okay, so that sums up our video for today. Should you have any further questions on this topic, please feel free to check out our Help Center at help.agencyaccess.com.